so we have an automatic transmission with an air-shift PTO. You got your 2 front sprayers, your side sprayer, your 2 rears. We have your pressure relief valve. This is just in case of an overload of water pressure. This will automatically open. It's already set right about maybe 3 pounds. As time goes by, you might need to adjust. If you happen to be spraying and then you lose pressure suddenly, more than likely the relief valve will be opening up. I said that just with time, just bump it up a pound at a time, and usually we'll maintain that close. We'll do a test here shortly to double check that everything is working properly as it needs to be. To engage PTO properly, the engine is running, our idle parking brake is on. Just gonna go ahead and push in my foot pedal brake, put it into a drive position while it's idling. The reason why we do that, as soon as I engage the PTO, if I don't have it in drive position, the PTO gear keeps rotating in neutral. So if I put it in drive, it stops from rotating. I'm able to engage my lever for the PTO gear to engage properly without causing any clash in between both of the gears. At this point, I'm gonna go ahead and just return back to neutral. PTO and pump is running. If you want to spray it while being in neutral and park, just open up any of the sprayers and just simply throttle up. And that's how you'll work any of the sprayers while being in neutral and in park. You want to go mobile, we're going to have to go all the way to gear number 1 or low gear in some cases. Gear number 1 will give you the best output out of the pump, 100% output out of the pump on the system setup, and that's how I'm gonna do my video next. Also, to engage your manual hose reel in the back, of course you have to be in neutral. I'm going to turn this off. All the sprayers are off. Return back to neutral. Truck is idling. PTO is engaged. At this point, I'm able to go outside and open up my manual valve, which we'll do here at the end, and basically spray out of the hose reel. So PTO has to be engaged. All switches have to be off, and you'll control the pressure, the water pressure, by a manual valve, which we will show in next. So what we're gonna do next? I'm gonna turn on the PTO. I'm gonna leave my sprayer heads closed, and I'm gonna put pressure in the system. Once this valve feels pressure in the system and there's no way exiting it out of any of the valves, this will open up automatically and will go back directly into the tank. You're gonna hear a hissing sound, air sound, and that's the valve opening up so the water can rush back into the tank.